Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps with the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon, and I've included a link in the description that will take you directly to the product page, where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you was sent over by S&T Inc. and it is just a 50-pack of microfiber cleaning cloths. So as you can see, they're all stacked right here. Once you unfold them, this is what they look like. So to give you an idea of the size here, they're basically 11.5 inches by 11.5 inches square. They're absolutely super soft. So these are perfect for doing all kinds of chores around the house, whether you're doing some light dusting, whether you are basically cleaning your mirrors and your glass, anything that's fragile. Because it's so soft, you don't have to worry about scratches or roughing up, anything like that. So now they include 3 different colors. So one of the nice things is that means you can utilize these as color-coded. And so what color-coded means is maybe you'll use like all the white ones for dusting. Maybe the kind of red or peach ones, those are all going to be utilized in the bathroom. Maybe the brown ones are utilized in the kitchen. So that way, if you're cleaning around a toilet or anything like that, you're not spreading those germs to other areas and other tasks. But overall, they're really nice. After multiple washes, they hold their color. You can easily just toss them in the washing machine. They clean up really easily. And like I said, the big thing is how soft they are. You can use them to like dry off wine glasses, and you don't have to worry about scratching or anything like that. They are also very absorbent, so if you do have any water or anything, you can use this and they will suck up the water very well. So if you're looking for basically to replenish your stock of cleaning cloths, this 50-pack is an absolute total worth checking out. If there is something that I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do take a respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.